Hello from Spraytex Weather Shield Coatings. On behalf of our company, we want to thank all our customers, both new and old, for bearing with us during this difficult time during the coronavirus. Having said that, it has been quite a successful period, particularly for our company, where we are a national company, due to the process having been changed. In actual fact, we're actually doubling the amount of orders, primarily because people are staying at home and seeing the jobs that they need to do. So at Spraytex Weather Shield Coatings, we've changed our system whereby all our office staff are now working from home. Our surveyors and salespeople are also working from home. And what we are asking all our clients to do instead is to send images of their property from their phone via WhatsApp or email, etc. And from those images, we will then give you a video proposal, very similar to this one here, using the images that you've sent us, and we will give you an accurate quote depending on exactly what you're looking to achieve. Now, we do all projects, whether they be rendered, re-rendered, starting from scratch. It really doesn't matter. We've been specialising in the rendering system for over 41 years, and we use WeatherTex as our main partner, who are the #1 UK manufacturing company. And to give you an idea, very, very briefly, this has been very successful purely because it means a better price for yourselves. And to give you an idea, let me bring up a couple of images from customers. Let's take okay, so this would be typical images sent directly from a customer. This has just been done recently. This would be an image taken by the customer on his phone, sent to us via WhatsApp. Of course, we give you all the details. This would be the back of the property. There's another back of the property, and if you look at the focal point being that small little hole at the back, it will give you an idea to when you see the finished article. So this is the image from the client. We then move on to some other images he sent us. Here is the front of the property. As you can see, it is a rendered property with black beams. Again, this is an image he sent us. As you can see, it does need some work. And finally, another image. Now, what we've actually done from those images is we provided a virtual video proposal, as well as phone calls and WhatsApp and emails and texts and all forms of communications that we can help you with. And from that, we give you an accurate quote via video and then via a written proposal. If you're happy with that, we, of course, will work. Our installation teams are no longer working in 3-man teams. They're now working in 2-man teams to follow government guidelines. This way, we are currently working 7 days a week, and we are actually ploughing through the work. So we do have the ability and the capacity to take on your installation as well. But to give you an idea, once we've actually got those images, here we are having worked on the property. We've taken off all the render, we've taken off all the beams, and once that's done, we are able to put fungal sidle spray, algae removal, mold removal, to take off everything and wash down the walls. We'll then put a primer on the walls, and then we finally put the rendering spray on there. And once it's finished, the images are absolutely fantastic. It's a beautiful finish on any property, and we give a 15-year guarantee. And if you remember, very briefly, there was a little hole here, just on the bottom down there, just to give you an idea of the finish that you'd expect. So that's one particular property. So it actually went from this image to this finish. Let me show you one more example so you do have an idea of how we work and what we'll be able to do for you. Consequently, we are able to give slightly better discounts than we would normally give due to the fact that surveyors don't come to see you. Here's another property taken by the customer. So that's the property. It's a large semi-detached house on the left-hand side there with the green garage. Once we've got to work on it, and this is when we're partly through the work, obviously we're rendering, we're repairing, we're re-rendering, we can do pretty much everything that you ask of us. We will also advise on anything that you may need to know yourself. Now, once the render has actually dried, we then spray, and the final image and the final finish is absolutely fantastic. So rest assured, we are doing everything we can in our power to continue serving you, giving you the best possible prices in a timely fashion, and at the same time following all government guidelines. I hope this helps, and we would be more than happy to speak with you to give you a no obligation free quotation on your property, regardless what kind of rendering you're looking to do. Many thanks from Spraytex Weather Shield Coatings, and we hope to hear from you soon.